Everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39. I want to show you a couple of things I'm putting in my shop. These are mini album kits. This one is a tag mini album kit. You may have seen on my channel I've made a couple of tag mini albums, and a lot of people were asking for a tutorial, which there is one on the channel, but I also made this kit so you can make your own. So I have included some different cut aparts that you could use as the cover. If I were making this, I would probably take this, maybe cut these out and have them dangling on a string as if they were a banner or something like that, or just leave it alone like that. So that's probably what I would do for the cover. Now I've included in this, so there's a ring, and then this is all made for you. You don't have to do anything but decorate it. Here is one of the ring closures. So that'll go on here, and to that you can add all of these tags. Now, I haven't cut these or embellished them, leaving that fun part for you. But there are all these fun tags that you might want to use them all. You might want to use some. You might want to add them onto cardstock. You might want to add glitter or enamel dots or whatever you want to do. There's room to put all of these tags in here, but there's also some extras. So there's a couple of cut aparts as well that you could put a hole in here and add that to the mini album. So there's all those. And you can possibly, if you wanted to put this guy on the cover, you could do that. I mean, there's a lot that you could do. There are some 4x6 cut aparts that you could put a hole in and put it here with the tags. It's okay if it's hangs over a little. That's okay. Or you could fold it in half or make a pocket out of it and include it with the tags. You could fussy cut those guys if you wanted to. Cut this in half. There's so many things that you could do. And there's a couple of 2x2 cut aparts. This might be great on the cover. So the sky is the limit. I'm just giving you the completed mini album, and all you need to do is have the fun decorating it. I also went through my stash and grabbed some extra ribbon that you can use to decorate the, you could cut that and decorate your tag like that. So not so much to choose from. So these again will be in my Etsy shop. Once they're gone, they're gone. So I advise you to hurry up. If it's something you're interested in, go ahead and get it. So that's what I have for you today. Thanks so much for watching, and have a fabulous